You can earn money on the Toluna website by simply answering surveys. Moreover, you can easily withdraw the earnings you make on this website through various withdrawal options like PayPal. There's no need to doubt the legitimacy of this website. This is because Toluna has excellent ratings on Trustpilot. Additionally, this website is available on the Play Store, where it has received very high ratings and reviews. Now, let's see how to create an account and start earning on this website. Click on the link provided in the description to go directly to the Toluna website. Next, click on Register and enter your details such as country, name, and date of birth. Then click Next. Now, enter your email ID and password and click Register. You will now receive an activation email in your Gmail inbox. Open it, confirm your email, and log in. Once done, you will land on the Toluna website homepage. On this website, like many other money-earning websites, you need to complete tasks to earn points. These points can then be redeemed for money. Okay, let's see how to complete tasks on this platform. On the left side of the screen, you'll find multiple tabs. Click on the Surveys tab. Here, you'll see a list of surveys. By clicking and completing these surveys, you will earn points. That's it. Next, click on Sponsored Polls. Here, you'll find more surveys. Complete these surveys to earn points as well. Then, there's the Games tab. It contains some games. By playing these games, you can also earn points. Okay, friends, these are the ways to earn on the Toluna website. Now, let's see how to withdraw your points as real money. Once you've earned enough points, click on your profile, select the PayPal tab, enter your PayPal ID, and save it. After saving, click on the Rewards tab. Here, you'll find various withdrawal options based on your country's currency. Choose one of them and withdraw your amount. That's it. Okay, friends, these are the ways to earn money on the Toluna website. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and share your feedback in the comments section. Thank you.